Hello and welcome to another episode of Imperial Conflict Tutorial Series. My name is Sol. I will be your teacher for today. Today we're going to go on attacking, which is kind of fun. So let's just get started. Whenever you attack, you want to pay attention to your net worth. My net worth is this: 7,525,934. That means I can attack people higher and slightly lower than my net worth. It also goes by size as well, planet counts. I can't attack this person on the bottom with 2 planets. The morale will be too high. His name is Bar. Well, that's not a very good demonstration. 6528. So we go here to this flag. 6528. Look for anything that's pink. That's where his other planet is. There he is. Well, I guess it's not high, is it? If I go to attack him, though, I don't think it's going to let him. Remember, 100 ground per transport. That's their home planet. So this planet will be his other planet he has. 0% morale. See what it says. It's probably going to say galactic law prevents you because he's 35% under my network. And 16 ticks. Well, we'll go back to that. Today we're going to be attacking Sol. Sol's at the very top. He needs to be knocked down a few. He's got 2,386 planets and his net worth is as high as anybody here. So he's family 6583. So go back to maps. Hit the flag 6583. Return the map. And wherever he shows up pink, that's where he is. I don't think we're sharing any systems with him. Sharing is he and I will be in the same system. And preferably our portals will be in that system, so I can just do instant attacks to try to clear his portal of all his fleet he has at home. So I can come in and take all the planets without much defense on his side. Looks like we're going to have to get into one of these systems. That's the closest one. There he is. Click here. Go to cover ops. And hopefully I built agents to check this. Yeah, I got agents. Going to cost 501,000 gold to do this. See what's on this planet. Nah, just infrastructure. No lasers, so I don't gotta send bombers. I'll try to remember where that was. Was it right here? I think it was. There it is. So it's best to remember where you're at. Let's just copy this for just in case. Alright, go see. I need to build fighters. Go back to military. We are playing on a developer server for ImperialConflict.com. You can access the developer server by going to patreon.com/ImperialConflict. You can donate $1 a month and that will give you access to the developer server. It'll also give you a different tag on our Discord server. Go to build. All fleets are free in this server. You just have to have the infrastructure, meaning you have to make enough money to actually afford to keep them. Let's go 40,000 fighters. Start that. And droids, 30,000. That will give us 150,000 total droids. Keep all that the same. Okay, those came in. And again, you copied the last coordinates. You can go right to it now. Be taking 1 tick or 1 week or 1 minute for us to get there. So send 40,000 and bombers just to give us more attack power. Even though there's no lasers, it does seem to help nowadays. So you see we're on our way. Now what we're doing by sending fighters is we're going to see what's at that planet, what's protecting his portal. If we destroy a lot of fighters, we know he has a bunch of fighters there. Fighters will not destroy the ground though. That's where our ground comes in handy after we get rid of the fighters. Because fighters will kill your transports coming in. So will lasers, but there's no laser on that planet as we've seen. And we're arrived. See what we do. Your units fight at 358,000 attack power. That's because of our research. Research is very important for attacking. It gives you an edge. We're at 99% on military. That gives increased attack strength and defense strength if we were to get attacked. Alright, air to ground. There's no lasers. Air to air. Because we're fighting with air. Attacking fleet destroyed 30,000 offending fighters. That's what we destroyed of his, 30,000. So we sent 40,000 fighters and we destroyed 30,000 fighters. And they destroyed 926 attacking bombers. And they destroyed 12,000 of our fighters. So let's go resend another attack. See if those numbers go down. We destroyed 30,000 last time. We're not going to send bombers again. See what happens. 1 tick. While we're waiting, we'll check the other planet here. No lasers as well. Wherever on operations, spy on target to see what he has on him. His military is at 86% to our 99%. Let's go attack. And we destroyed 21,000 that time. He only destroyed 8,400 of ours. So his fighters are dwindling down now. Go do one more. Let's build back up our fighters. Let's go with 50,000 more. And we might need more droids. And we can now try bar, which, no, not yet, 8 more ticks. Okay, let's try this. He's still got fighters, hasn't he? Let's try to send transport, see if we get the planet or not. wait for my fighters to come in. Go to console, you see what it's building. There we go, they're in. '63, send bombers to distract some stuff. Send 250,000, 100 soldiers or droids per transport, so we're gonna need 2,500. It's there. Don't have 2,500. We have 2,384. So 230. We don't need to send 230,000 droids. And we need to build more transports in case this goes badly. Transports usually take a long time to build, but for here it's only 1 minute. Alright, let's try our luck here. Attacker wins, we won, okay. So, attacking fleet destroys 10,290 defending fighters. The defending fleet destroyed 605 attacking bombers. Alright, so they had killed our 605 bombers. They also killed 17,846 of our fighters. And they destroyed 644 of our attacking transporters. Attacking fleet, we killed 60,000 defending soldiers on their place. And the defending fleet destroyed 49,000 of our attacking droids. We got the planet, but we had some losses there. They still got a lot of ground. But we had more. Go ahead and recall, unless you want to keep some on there in case you think they're going to come back and get it. And we gain all this infrastructure right here. It's all plus for us. Now since we got his portal down, his fleet's down on his portal, we can pretty much take all his planets now. Let's see, we need 136. And once you get his fleets down on his portal enough, you can pretty much send raid fleets. Raid is send a set amount of troops to all his planets and just take them all. Granted, that's why lasers are important. If you have lasers on your planets, then those raid fleets will crash if they don't send enough bombers. Alright, so let's see. We destroyed 7,200 defending fighters. Defending fleet destroyed. Okay. So they destroyed 12,615 of our fighters. And we destroyed 42,000 of his soldiers on his portal, on his main planet. It's protecting his planets from his portals. And they destroyed 29,000 of our droids. Sol is actually another account of mine. So let me pause this here and log into his account and see what he sees on his end. Yeah, see what he sees. There we go, his HQ. Those are the planets I attacked. Basically shows what we've seen on the attack screen. These were our fighter runs. We were just trying to destroy his fighters. So 30,000, 21,000 fighters were killed. 14,700 fighters were killed. It goes up from there. Let's check his military. He has 16,000 fighters left and 98,000 soldiers. So one more attack would pretty much wipe his fighters out, and 2 more attacks would possibly wipe all his soldiers out. Then there'd be free game. And that concludes on my short video on how to attack. Hope that helped you, give you some pointers. Go out there and have some fun. This is Soul signing off.